Welcome back to the channel, guys. So down here, it's Boxing Day, down here at Hilltop Bikepark with Jess and Josh. Just going to go for a few laps of Hilltop. A few surrounds here this morning, so we'll see how it goes with them. It seems to be going up the trails at the minute, but hopefully that'll stop now we're here. Catches out there. So guys, just doing the first lap of the blue, just to warm up. I'll have a lap of the blue. There's a couple of surrounds here this morning. Hopefully they'll start coming up to the trail over here. Nice, and that was the blue, guys. So, drop into the red. I do like these sharp fins on this red trail. Across the grass there, what's that all about? Speed. So Josh has just gone down for his first lap. Following down the red. Better that run. Josh and Jess down the blue. I'm not doing that. That's flat. That's what I've done today on them. Oh, I know. Hurt my shoulder, but big massive graze on my knee, but we'll live. Still carry on.
Always carry on.
So guys, as you saw there, had a bit of an off, bit sore, so gonna call it for the day. Did a couple more laps, but getting a bit sore now, so gonna go home and chill. So left the guys to it. Hope they enjoy the rest of the day. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.